Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. And today I revamped Carly's apartment in Roblox. So I'm going to quickly show you that. Yeah, you got no need to see Freddy's apartment. So we're just going to show you Carly's today. Kind of like how I did with that other video. But I revamped Carly's apartment a little bit, so I'm going to show you that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I added a wall right here. I'm gonna probably move it over here where the elevator is. Probably not, or I might just delete this wall because it's making it kind of hard to see the elevator. And the elevator's actually somewhere over here, but it's the best I could possibly do. I also edited the I did a brand new counter. I also added the coffee table. Yeah, that's a part of the apartment in Icarly. I also deleted one chair because there's actually not 3 chairs in the show. I don't know why I added 3 chairs. But I deleted it. Now there's only 2 chairs. And I kept the computer, but when I was redoing the coffee table, when the counter I had to put the computer over here. I also added a table. I'm gonna have to add chairs soon. Well, and also I darkened down the stairs to be more like my favorite season, season 5. This part didn't change. Also, oh wait, I think I showed you this, but no, I didn't show you the updated version, but I updated the this nutcracker, and it's supposed to be Spencer's bottle bot. Yeah, but this is the full revamped Carly apartment in Roblox. I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Bye.